Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn more interesting HTML tag. Tag name is Marquee. Marquee tag also using for when you want to store your text and images on your web page, then Marquee tag also using. So let's start. Open any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Atom, VS Code. Okay, here I am using Notepad++ text editor. Open Notepad++ text editor, then click on file menu and choose new. Okay, here type first HTML. Okay, this tag indicating this document is HTML. Then head tag. Okay, inside head tag just write title tag. Okay, and just type here Marquee tag. Okay, it's my tag name, Marquee tag. Close the title tag, then close the head tag because head tag working is ended here. Okay, then write body tag. Okay, inside body tag just write Marquee, MARQUE, Marquee. Then here text, type your text. Okay, means which text you want to show on your screen. Just type here text. Suppose hi students, welcome in my channel. Okay, okay, just close Marquee tag. Okay, then close body tag and then close HTML tag. Okay, right, then save this document. So click on file menu, then click on save as. Okay, save this document on any location like desktop, D drive, E drive, any location. Okay, here I am choosing desktop location. Then type file name. Suppose my file name is MARQUE, Marquee tag .html. Okay, here .html extension very important. Okay, then just click on save button. Just minimize this text editor. Okay, your file stored on desktop and this file name is Marquee tag .html. Just right click on this file and just open this file in any web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. In my computer only 3 web browsers are installed. Okay, so I'm here choosing Google Chrome web browser. Now see here, hi students, welcome in my YouTube channel. Okay, hi students, welcome in my channel. This text appear on your in this web browser and this text running on my screen right to left. Okay, means text starting from right. Okay, and again this text starting. Okay, so next tag is in Marquee tag some attribute always using like behavior, direction. Okay, so type again Marquee. Okay, Marquee direction means when you want to change the text direction. Okay, then Marquee direction is equal in double quote of. Okay, then suppose you have to mention the width and height, then just space and type height is equal, suppose height 300. Okay, then width. Okay, width is for example 400. Okay, then just close the Marquee tag. Okay, then just type your text and then close your Marquee tag. So my text is welcome in my YouTube channel. Okay, then just close Marquee tag. Okay, just save this document using Ctrl S shortcut key and reopen your web browser and just refresh this page. Okay, see here my text showing bottom to top, right? Okay, suppose you changing width and height, then see the effect. Suppose height is 300, right? Suppose I'm changing height 100. Just save this document using Ctrl S and then just refresh this web page. See here, the text only singing shortly, means here text starting here and ending here. Okay, means this text according to width and height, this text showing on your web page, right? The next direction is just copy this same tag and just paste here. Okay, okay, mark you direction down. Okay, DOWN down, and just press Ctrl S and refresh your web page. Okay, means your text showing on top to bottom. Okay, suppose you want to change direction, then again paste this tag and just change here right. Okay, just save, Control yes using shortcut key and just refresh. Okay, your text showing left to right, right? Just change the width here, width for example 600. Okay, just save, Control S shortcut key using, just refresh. Okay, means you always changing direction up, down, right and left. Okay, then next remove this marquee tag. Okay, then again type MARQUEE marquee. Okay, in marquee, inside marquee just type behavior. Okay, behavior is equal scroll. Okay, then direction equal for example up. Okay, and then use img tag. Okay, img src is equal double quote. Just paste here one image path. So minimize this page,